What's up, guys? My name is Aldo, and today we'll be talking about Ipe. Where does it come from, its characteristics, and why you should want to use it on your next project. So why use Ipe, you say? Well, this hardwood is very versatile. You can use it as outside decking, inside flooring, siding, outside structures, even outside furniture. Now, the grade that we carry here is a premium grade, so it'll be clear, it'll be 100% hardwood, and it will have no physical defects. The color of the Ipe will vary between a dark chocolate tone to a light brown, and if you leave it out in the sun and you don't treat it with anything, over time it'll silver out and it'll even out the color. Now, the type of treatment you can put is like a tropical hardwood oil, which in our case we carry the Deckwise Ipe oil, and you apply that and it'll protect the color. It doesn't change the color, but it'll protect the color. Now, one thing is that you do have to keep in mind is that you will have to apply it periodically as much as is exposed to the sun. So if you have a deck that's out in the sun all day, you'll have to apply it more often than someone that has it, that part of the day only hits, that the sun only hits it part of the day. Alright, so let's go into these applications a little bit more in detail. So when it comes to the decking, in the Ipe you'll see different dimensions such as 1x4s, 1x6, 5/4x4, and 5/4x6, and the 2x. One of the main keys to think about when you install the Ipe as decking is to make sure that you have the proper ventilation, otherwise your boards will cup. Also, moving on, when you go with the furniture, you can use Ipe as an alternative to oak or even teak. Like I was saying earlier, if you apply the Ipe oil, it'll keep that color, otherwise it'll silver out over time. Ipe is also used in outside structures, such as kitchens, outdoor kitchens, arbors, and even pergolas. The contrast between the cedar or whatever it is you're building it out of with the Ipe will be something that will accent your outside structure. And then also you can use it as siding. You send it to get milled, and you can get a contemporary milling like a lap and gap or a shiplap pattern that'll give your application a little bit more of a contemporary look. Or you can go with some with like a tongue and groove V-joint pattern, which will give you more of a traditional look. And lastly, you can use it also as indoor flooring, but again, kind of like the decking, but opposite is that one of the things you have to make sure so that the Ipe performs right in your application is to make sure you get a kiln dried Ipe, because it's more stable, therefore it'll be a lot less movement, and your flooring will not come open with gaps. So these are some of the very basic applications that you could use Ipe on your next project to really give that flair that you're looking for. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, just let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So Ipe is a tropical hardwood, and it has many different uses. You can use it for siding, decking, outside structures, decking, and wait, did I just say decking? I guess I did. Ipe is a hardwood that has many different